Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So check this out. I came out to hunt this morning. I was hella late like always. I was rushing. So either way, I got in late. Once I got to the pop-up, I went and actually grabbed my SD card from my camera. After 3 days, I finally saw some animals. Check the pictures out. At least we got some does in there. We got some javelinas, and I think I saw one of them was a hog. But that is a really good sign. I'm really happy because for a last minute setup, just throwing a blind up there and I just threw some corn. Now we got some does. So that is very rewarding. But anyways, I hunted in the morning. I didn't see anything. To be honest with you, I didn't expect to see anything, but it felt great to actually get a morning hunt. I left. I came to get a cabin down here at the state park, but the problem is that they're all out. But either way, I'll be staying out here. This will be my little spot. They just give me a little spot where I can park. As you guys see, check this out. Yes. Now I'll show you guys where I'm gonna be racking out. Yes, sir. Yep. In there, I'll just move all this stuff inside, not inside but in front of the truck or the bed of the truck. Thank God it's a Ford, all that space in the world. But anyways, I'll see you guys at the blind later on for the evening hunt, which is luck.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Just finished with a little bit of lunch slash dinner. Got a chance to meet up with Lovo. Lovo, was good to see you. But anyway, something I forgot to tell you guys is that I noticed the last 3 times I came out here, I noticed people in bicycles, because as you guys probably seen, I have to walk a mile in and change in and out. So 2 miles in to just get in. So I told Lobo, I was like, yo, listen, man, after this, I'm gonna go to the pawn shop and just give me a bike. I need a cheapo bike. I don't need nothing special. I just need a bike to be able to get in and get out. Check this bad boy that I found. Woo, look at that. I don't even know what that brand is. I really don't, seriously. What is this? I just saw it. I like the gray. I'm not a fan of the green stuff, but yo, for $100, shit still has a tag. Check this out. $100. Picked it up for $100. I gotta tweak it. I gotta tighten some stuff up. Make sure that is good. I can drive that bad boy. We'll ride that bad boy in there. I might go ahead and tweak this bad boy up, get it going, make sure that the tires are good. Let me know what you guys think about that bike. You guys had a bike like that, heard of that brand before? I don't know that brand. Is it Genesis? Something like that. No longer walking a mile there, a mile back. And I got my pack. Check this out. Got my bow back there. Just cruising. Yes, sir. Now let's get a buck down. All right, guys, made it to the pop-up. It's what, 1700 for those civilians, 5 o'clock for those military. Anyways, made it once again. That bike, super clutch. Anyways, I'm just waiting here. I already have everything set up. Hopefully something comes through. The weather is nice. I don't feel mosquitoes yet, but you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Anyways.
Hottest money I be making, I'ma burn 'em. Burn 'em, I'ma murk 'em. And if they playing with this fire, I'ma burn 'em. Murder, it's a murder. Disrespect us, I'ma spark it, I'ma burn 'em. And I be searching, I be lurking, I'ma hurt 'em. And all these bridges that I'm building, I'ma burn 'em. Burn 'em, burn 'em. Hottest money I be making, I'ma burn 'em. Burn 'em. Smoke it up. Burn 'em. Whop a nigga's bucket, I'ma serve 'em. Spinning on a block with a mop, I disturb 'em. I never killed a nigga, but I'm ready to spit a hollow right on the person. And the curse, I'm about to merge on a nigga's turf. I'ma let a nigga burn, let him burn. And these bitches better learn. When I pull up, I'ma purge. Make a nigga see stars spinning, leave him on a curb. Burn 'em, burn 'em. Hottest money I be making, I'ma burn 'em. Burn 'em. To the beam when I'm standing on your ground. You should know to never come around my town. You're not welcome in the hood cause you a clown. I got shooters ready just to lay you down. And they not afraid to waste a couple rounds. Burn 'em, burn 'em. Hottest money I be making, I'ma burn 'em. Burn 'em.
That was fucking cool as fuck. There was two toes right there. I was messing around texting, but I just saw another, like two other ones. I don't know if it was a buck or a doe. Towards the other corner, jumping the low fence. That's dope. I'm excited about that. Oh well. Made it back to the campsite. I'm just somewhat freshen up. Unfortunately, after I was told the shower and all that good stuff worked, it didn't. So that kind of sucks. I feel hella disgusting right now. But it is what it is. I'm camping out of my truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit some stuff. Sleep a couple of hours, wake up, and I'll see you guys in the pop-up in the morning. Hopefully we see something else come in, because pretty excited about that spot. Hey, good morning, guys. Last night slept pretty good, but it got hella cold. I got about a blanket. I had my hoodies and my jacket and stuff, but it got super cold. I mean, super cold. Texas super cold, you know, low 40s. But anyways, came on this morning. I forgot to put an SD card on my camera. Yeah, it sucked. But nothing so far. I'm just waiting another hour and then I'll take off. I'm ready to go home, take a shower, get some rest, and prep to do all of this again. Hopefully sooner than later. But yeah. that is a wrap for this weekend trip. It was pretty eventful in some aspects. As of actually saw some of those in my area. As I was leaving, I saw 3 other ones that came up. Finished just setting up some things, and I learned some things about if I'm gonna stay in my truck, which now I'm intrigued. What should I be getting? Next time I do this. I would like to do this again. Spend a weekend, just be able to just camp out and hunt when I need to. We'll see. I wanted to take one of those does, but if I take one of them now, come the rut, them boys won't be chasing towards my way. So I'm trying to keep them around as much as I can, but I am trying to get my little one on a doe or on a buck. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Do me a solid subscribe, do like, comment, share with the homies. You know the drill. Catch you guys next time. Peace.